Hello guys, welcome to Samik's Adorable Cooks. Today I'm here with a splash of relief from the sun with my Masala Lemonade. This amazing combo of lemons and mint leaves is a true bliss. It's refreshing, energetic, helps in digestion, and the most important thing is that it is delicious. So take a break from tea and serve lemonade to your family today. Let's begin. Ingredients: 2 lemons, sugar 2.5 tablespoon, black pepper 1/4 teaspoon, salt a pinch, black salt 1/4 teaspoon, coriander powder 1/4 teaspoon, roasted cumin powder 1/4 teaspoon, mint leaves a few sprigs, drinking soda and water. Method: squeeze a lemon for each glass, as we are going to make 2 masala lemonades, that is, one with water and the other with soda. Now add in the sugar, salt, black pepper, cumin powder, followed by the coriander powder. Now take a muddler and muddle the mint leaves. Add the mint leaves into your glass with masalas. Put a few ice cubes into the glass and mix the ice cubes with masala. Now top up one glass with soda and the other with water. Your delicious masala lemonade is ready. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more recipes.